They make it their business to mind your business. Ron Paul has been banned in D.C., the personalized license plate, that is. The DMV's massive list of rejected plates includes all kinds of saucy and random sentiments. You'll find religious messages, sweet thoughts that couldn't possibly offend anyone, and marijuana references. Lots and lots of marijuana references. But this time the Nanny of the Month comes to us from Watertown, New York, where the city has banned roommates from residential neighborhoods.
This is not a dirtbag thing that I'm trying to drag my neighbors through.
It all started when Deborah Cavallario complained to the city council about her next-door neighbor who shares his home with his fiance and 2 friends.
All I'm trying to do is just go out there and have a normal life, a quiet life.
27-year-old Travis Hartman explained that he was just starting out and needed some help paying the mortgage on the home he recently bought. He asked how the city could stop boyfriends, girlfriends, domestic partners, or soldiers from buying a home and living together. Hartman will be grandfathered in, but in a 3-2 vote the city council zoned out future roomies. Lost on the busybodies was the ironic twist to something that happened in the same neighborhood many years ago.
I remember very well a well-to-do neighbor who was upset very much over a low-income couple moving into a house close to her. That couple was Mr. and Mrs. Cavallario.
Check back next month for more examples of busybodies minding your own business.
Let the irony not be lost. If a neighbor had her way 30 years ago, over 80% of our neighborhood would not be there today.